In this video, how to fix OBS Studio lag and stuttering. So this is the best settings. So go to settings, just click it, and in this you can see the output is there. Click the output settings, yes, click it, and in this you can see the advanced is there. Output mode you need to set as advanced, and go to record tab, and in this tab you need to set the recording format like a MKV format or MP4, because MKV is a prevent file corruption, so depends on you. Then after, go to streaming. In this you can see the encoder is there. You can go to AMD H264 CV, and encoder settings you can give CBR, and the bitrate will be 15,000 to 20,000, so depends on that. So the resolution 1080 pixel depends on that. You can keep in between 15,000 to 20,000. Yes, and the keyframe is keep as 2, and the present is balanced, and the profile is high, so it gives smooth and high quality. So after this click apply and click OK. Then go to video settings. In these the base should be 1920 into 1080, and output also same. And the downscale, if you have a lens you can use it, and FPS is 60 FPS, and yes, 60 FPS, and yes, you can use the downscale, and come to advanced tab. In this process priority is that need to keep as above normal, as, and the render is a direct 3D 11, and the color space 709, and range partial is need to set, and this is give apply and click OK. This is a perfect setup. So thanks for watching.